Hi everybody, welcome to the show and my channel. If you didn't know, I have a few other videos out and there's going to be a few that are going to be spin, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Turn it down just a little bit. This is my first spin because I was waiting for a way to do it, so I bought this beautiful little pool that is actually a hamburger. Thank you, Canadian Tire. At least it was cheap, but it was the best I could do so far. But at least it gets me spinning. Also got a Lazy Susan. Hopefully I'll be able to spin it enough, but you know what? We learn by our mistakes, so today is the first day with a spin. Alright, so the colors that I'm going to use. This is a dark gray. I'm going to use it as the base. Let me get a bunch on there. That's quite a lot. Hopefully that won't spin off too much. Next I want to use this beautiful blue. I've already pre-mixed all of my colors. I'm going to be using a little too much paint here, but like I said, I gotta start somewhere. Next is a very, very bright pink. Oh, she wants to swirl everywhere. Bright yellow. I'm already making a mess everywhere. I haven't even started. And white in the middle. Not that there's actually a middle anymore, so let's see what this looks like. Up. Blend out that white a little bit so that it's not too swirly. All right, I'm ready to spin. Let's see what happens. Whoops. Well, that was fun. Okay, I'm not getting a lot going on here. So what to try? Swirl around a bit more. Nope. But I'm missing all of my beautiful colors. I don't know what's going on with that. So let's try just the colors again. Now try not to spin so hard that I make it fly off. There is one thing with the spinning, this sure is fun. Try to go a little bit quicker before those paints run too much. The dark gray background. Alright, let's make sure this doesn't fly off. Get some more white coming this way. Must not be level. I didn't check to see if I was level. Maybe I should have. colors coming out. A little bit of pink. Back to the yellow and the pink. I'm just not getting enough. Let's just spin that way. I'm going to put it more that way. Yellow's going on top this time. All right, here we go. I feel like I'm at the fair. What are you thinking so far? Still think I'm missing something. I'm not sure what I'm missing. Get a little nervous when I go too far because, like I said about the kiss method, if you heard me talk about that in other videos, you'll know what I mean by that. I think I'm just going to keep trying to spin it more. I don't want to add any more paint. Not yet anyway. Yeah, I just need to keep spinning. It's starting to do what I want, getting a little bit more of the cells in the pink and yellow, and now some of the blues are finally popping through, which is nice. Yeah, that's starting to look really good. So just please don't fly off and hit me. Now I'm going to grab the heater. See what kind of cells pop out. All right, I am good with that. There you go. There is, I wish we didn't have the lighting like that. I'll tip it back a bit. So there we go. There is my first spin. Can't wait to do the next. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit like as well. And I look forward to you watching my next video. Have a great day.